Welcome. In this video I will show you how to boot your Microsoft Surface 12 Pro from USB. To do that, of course, we're gonna need a USB flash drive with the USB-C connection support. If you have a recovery media, Windows recovery media on your USB flash drive, then this process will be a lot simpler than in case of other operational systems or whatever you have on your boot device. So in such case, you would have to simply insert your USB flash drive into the tablet and then hold down the volume down button, and while holding it down you have to short press the power button to launch your laptop and laptop/tablet, and then just wait until you see the loading circle appears beneath your Microsoft logo. And once you see that, you have to release the volume down key, and this will take you directly to Windows recovery tool. Now, if you have something else on your USB flash drive, you have to go a different way. So in such case, you have to hold down the volume up button, which is right here closer to the power button, short press the power button and keep holding down the volume up key until we get to the UEFI, or basically the BIOS menu of our device. Now this is gonna take a while, and once we are here, you can release the volume up key, and after that we're gonna have to go to the boot configuration menu. Now what we want to do here is move our USB storage on top of the Windows boot manager like this. Then we can simply enable boot configuration lock by switching the toggle to the right. Then we have to go to the security, and in case it's not the licensed Microsoft software you're trying to boot, you have to click change configuration right here and then tap none. This way you will disable the secure boot. Then you're gonna have to tap exit and then restart now, and then your device will boot from your USB. And as you can see, here we are. So in my case it's the recovery media, therefore here we have the recovery media interface. So let's turn off this device, and yeah, from now on you can do whatever you want. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.